backyards, balconies, pots, squares, condominiums, offices, even where concrete dominates the landscape. Plants, trees, and flowers make their presence with their color and joy. Taking care of them for some is a hobby, a playful activity with the family. For others, it is a source of income. They help to decorate the surroundings and also provide more quality of life, fresh air, and why not, a healthier diet. Cultivating vegetable home gardens for self-consumption is now part of people's daily lives. We are paying more attention to the surroundings in which we spend most of our time. Even technology has contributed to this by bringing work and leisure time into the homes. Those who have a backyard take advantage of every space for leisure, plants, and animals. Those who live in an apartment use creativity and bring their piece of nature to living rooms, balconies, kitchens, and walls. All of this drives the market for gardening and landscaping. We at Guarany are part of this movement. Our product line is present in many gardens and green areas across several countries. In addition to domestic consumers, we serve gardeners and landscapers who look for solutions for their customers. We are reference in this market, and we offer products developed with innovation and our own technology.
Utilizamos os produtos da Guarany devido à ergonomia do produto, à eficiência, à durabilidade. Temos pulverizadores que estão em uso há mais de 10 anos. Parece até brincadeira falar, mas ele não quebra. Ele já foi derrubado no chão centenas de vezes e o pulverizador está lá há mais de 10 anos e continuamos utilizando ele sem manutenção.
Uma das preferências é confiança, né? Se não tem confiança, não vai continuar por relacionamento.
Our quality standard meets the most demanding consumers. This is the case of the K2 line, which in Tupi-Guarany refers to everything that is positive and does good. Pioneer in sprayers made with sustainable plastic tanks. The K2 line uses plastic produced from sugarcane. These are products that have a neutral emission of harmful gases to the environment. Guarany's gardening solutions are present in supermarkets, home centers, specialized stores, pet shops, and retailers of agricultural products. At our headquarters, we have a space dedicated to training and demonstrations of use. Our business partners are trained by means of on-site and online courses. When delivering motorized equipment, our technicians train the users, and if necessary, they can also count on technical assistance in all locations we operate.
Guarany siempre ha sido una empresa que busca todo lo que sea natural, todo lo que sea conservación de nuestra naturaleza. Y tienen un amor por lo que hacen. Son 100 años que le han puesto amor a esto.
Minha relação com a Guarany é de agradecimento, de eterna gratidão. Obrigado por me abrirem portas para novas oportunidades.
Guarany is old, but they are young. They continuously improve their products, and that is so exciting. I wish them success.
This is how Guarany contributes to the well-being of society and the sustainability of the planet. Respect nature. Do your part too. Be a Guarany partner and bring tradition and innovation to your customers.